I didn't intend to write my debut book of poetry. It just happened. It came about from the community work that I was doing throughout rural Colorado. And after decades of listening and observing and being in community with all these people in these different places in Colorado, the work just flowed. The words just came, and the learning and the growth and the relationships just flowed onto the page in the form of poetry. I did a full blog post about this work and how it birthed the book of poetry, A Call to Awaken. So if you're interested in learning more about that rural work in Colorado and about the poetry that came from it, you can visit my website at vidamestiza.net.